Welcome to today's video. If you want to live longer, stay energetic, and keep your body strong, then what you eat every single day matters a lot. And today I am going to share with you how you can live a healthy life just by adding the right nuts to your diet and also by avoiding some that may not be so good for your health. We often hear that nuts are healthy, and yes, that's true. But did you know that not all nuts are the same? Some are packed with protein and nutrients that support your heart, brain, and muscles. Others, on the other hand, can actually do more harm than good if you eat too much of them. So in this video, let's explore 5 high protein nuts you should eat regularly and 5 nuts that you may want to avoid. Let's start with the 5 high protein nuts for a long and healthy life. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are one of the most popular nuts in the world, and for good reason. Just a handful of almonds gives you a boost of protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E. They are great for your skin, heart, and even your brain. Eating almonds daily can help reduce cholesterol and improve memory. Number 2, peanuts. Yes, peanuts are technically legumes, but they are considered nuts in our diets. They are loaded with protein and make a perfect snack for energy. Peanuts can also help lower the risk of heart disease. Just make sure you eat them roasted or raw, not the ones fried in oil or covered in too much salt. Number 3, walnuts. Walnuts are brain shaped for a reason. They are amazing for your brain health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts help improve memory, concentration, and mood. They also support your heart and reduce inflammation in the body. Number 4, pistachios. These little green gems are not only delicious but also full of protein and fiber. Pistachios keep you feeling full of longer, which helps in weight control. They also improve digestion and support healthy blood sugar levels. Number 5. Cashews. Cashews are creamy, tasty, and rich in protein, iron, and magnesium. They are excellent for bone strength and immunity. Eating a few cashews daily can give your body a good source of energy without feeling heavy. So these are the 5 protein packed nuts that you should eat regularly if you want to stay healthy and live long. Alright, now let's talk about 5 nuts you should avoid or eat very carefully. Number 1, macadamia nuts. Yes, they are tasty, but they are very high in fats and very low in protein compared to other nuts. Eating too many can lead to weight gain. Number 2, pecans. Pecans are delicious in pies and desserts, but they are extremely high in calories and contain less protein. If you are watching your weight, it's best to avoid them. Number 3, pine nuts. They may be great in pesto, but they are not the best for protein. They are high in fat and can cause a bitter taste in your mouth if you eat too many. Number 4, Brazil nuts. They are rich in selenium, but eating even a few can give you too much of it, which may harm your health. So it's better to limit them. If you want to take it, you can take only one, but I think you should avoid it. Number 5, candied or flavored nuts. These are not natural nuts anymore. They are coated in sugar, chocolate, or salt, which cancels out their health benefits. They can harm your heart and blood sugar levels. So there you have it, the 5 best nuts for your health and the 5 nuts you should avoid. By making small changes in your diet, you can improve your energy, protect your heart, and even live a longer life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for the website link to smart home and kitchen gadgets on Amazon. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.